Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe. In today's video, we are going to be making hair grease. The main ingredients that you're going to need are the oils best suited for your hair. This I have blended cloves with bay leaves as well as hibiscus powder. Now make sure that if you have high porosity hair, the oil that you use is best suited for high porosity. I have low porosity, which is why I am using grapeseed oil. So I am going to go ahead and mix my hibiscus powder with the blended cloves and bay leaves together. Then I am going to measure out the amount of blue magic that I need and also add it to the mix. You could actually use the any blue magic of your choice. I am just using this particular blue one. I know that they have one with aloe vera and a lot of people tend to use that as well, but it doesn't really matter the type of blue magic you use. I am also going to be using Vaseline, and it's really crazy because guys, Vaseline have great benefits for our hair. Let's just talk about some of them. So for those of us that have dry hair, this is perfect for us because it protects our hair from damage and it actually helps with dry scalp, split ends, frizzy hair. Overall, it's good. Again, you don't want to use a lot because it could clog your pores as well. So the less, the better. For the sake of today's video, as usual, all the measurements will be in the description. Just look at how pretty it is already. Anyway, so we have blue, we have a lot of colors going on, but now I am going to go ahead and add my oils. Then I will perform the double boiler method. So again, I am using grapeseed oil because it is perfect, it's light and it's perfect for low porosity hair. So I'm going to also add my vegetable glycerine as well at some point, and as well as my vitamin E oil. This is what it first looked like. We want it to be melted. After a couple minutes, you notice that everything is now in liquid form. So make sure you are very patient. Now we're going to go ahead and strain it. We do so because we do not want like the grainy parts of it, like the cloves and all the grainy things that we use to be part of it. I am now going to strain it. Again, let's make sure that we are very patient because this will take a little time. So after straining it, I am going to actually freeze it, right? Okay, so something I forgot to tell you is after you perform the double boiler, you need to let it cool down just for a couple minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then you strain it. You don't want to wait too long and let it harden, but at the same time you don't want to strain it when it's super hot, right? So which is why you wait a couple minutes. So guys, this is why you should strain it. You guys are going to see what it looks like after straining. After this, I am going to put it in the freezer and let it sit there for about 15 to 30 minutes. I did make a mistake during this process. I forgot to put an important essential oil that I really needed to add, and that was peppermint. But you see, after 15 to 30 minutes, everything has hardened. Then you could close it, store it in your fridge, and use it as many times as you want. But because I forgot to add my peppermint oil, I'm going to go ahead and melt it all over again. So all I needed was hot water, put in a bowl and sit the grease inside. After about 15 minutes, everything was melted. Then I proceeded to add the amount of peppermint oil that I needed. Then put it back in the freezer and froze it all over again. And then used it as desired. But this part is totally optional. You do not have to unfreeze and freeze all over again. If you guys do try making this, make sure that you're not allergic to any of the ingredients that I used. But if you do try it, let me know what you think. If you've also tried any of my recipe or anything that I have put up on this channel, let me know which one you loved and what you would like to see more of. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.